morning to one and all present here. Our institution's learning goes by experiential learning. So we practice experiential learning in our classes. The experiential learning is a process of learning through experience, reflection, and application. It involves hands-on practical activities that enable individuals to gain knowledge and skills and thoughts, insights by actively engaging in a real world situations. So we can have a small lecture series about 5S in total quality management. So this 5S is practiced, it's a structured program to implement workplace organization and standardization. So this represents 5 disciplines for maintaining visual workspace. So any workspace that is available will also add few efforts to improve our efficiency. So in order to do that, let us go into what is 5S. So 5S is nothing but standardize, sort, sustain, shine, set in order. So this 5S is a foundation to Kaizen and lean implementation. For example, total preventive maintenance or total productive maintenance. That is very important term that in total quality management. So how do we understand this 5S and how do we make our students to learn this 5S through a small demo that is being shown in the upcoming video. So before entering into the video, let us all see what are all the ways that 5S helps to eliminate waste. So waste is a non-value added activity or a product in any kind of activity that has to be eliminated. So 5S helps to avoid overproduction. 5S helps to reduce waiting time of employees for another process or machine tool. So extra or mental motion that does not add value by the employer is being eliminated. So that is what we have seen a demo with our students and they enjoyed a lot. And you're shortly will be viewing what is this kind of experience the students feel. And 5S also helps transportation, inventory, rework, and over processing, adding excess value when the customer does not require it. And intellect is not using employees' full intellectual contribution. So, making these simple 5 words in our daily life activity improves efficiency. As a faculty table, we do 5S every day so that it looks very neat and tidy and it is the axis of all the components for working efficiently is ensured by this 5S process. Let us go into the video. Thank you.
Good afternoon, students. How are you all? Yes. Today we are into a small hands-on experience about 5S what we have learned in theory. So we have 5S principles in total quality management course. Can anyone tell what is the 5S?
Short.
Sign and set in order is the 5S principle that is being used to discipline the workplace. The visual workplace wherever the worker is working. So he has to keep all the equipments in order. Right? First of all, to keep in order, he has to sort it. That experiment we will do here. So for better understanding to sort, we will take this example. So you send a letter to a related person who is staying in different area, right? So when you send a letter, you will write the address of the person and you will write the pin code. What happens next? You will put in a post box. The post box, the mail person will come and collect the letters and he will deposit all the letters in the post office. So there is a person called sorting assistant. He will segregate all these letters and then sort it according to the code of different places. So that now there is a clear-cut idea which part of which letters are to be delivered into which part. So that is a simple idea of sorting here. Now we have different kind of file fittings here. So it is very difficult to find certain things within no time when I say you are located. Right? So can anyone take a nut from this? It will take some time. Am I right? So because nothing is in order. So that is the purpose of doing 5S. So when you go to a company, when you have a workplace, you will have to deal with so many materials, so many tools, so many instruments there, right? So if you want to save time while using all these instruments as well as tools, it has to be sorted according to their sizes or their specifications, right? So in the next video, it is very clear that they will be having a sorted things. So let us do this experiment.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The purpose of doing 5S is like we have sorted all the pipe fittings available here. Now one can easily identify these pipe fittings for your assembly of pipe fittings, right? So this is the major exercise that is run in every company to reduce the lead time of any component that is assembled. Hope you understand. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.